How does the location itself shape the program experience academically or culturally?
So that's an interesting question because just mentioning the fact that aviation is global, we don't have to have it just in Europe, or I mean, we can take our program and we can tailor it to pretty much anywhere, any part of the world, and that's what we've done. I believe that prior to my arrival here, the study abroad program in air traffic management has gone to Asia.
Mhm.
Singapore, Korea, many of those countries. It has gone to Europe a few times as well.
Awesome. Just really quickly off the cuff, do you know what the students' free time schedule is going to look like? Are they going to be having those 3-day weekends?
Oh, absolutely. It's not just all sitting in a classroom and spending time. We have incorporated into our program numerous cultural activities, some personal time where they can explore Ireland, Belgium. Obviously, the Brussels area is a great starting off point to hit other places throughout the Netherlands, Belgium, and some of the other countries. So they'll have plenty of opportunities to kind of escape a little bit. And of course, I don't know if you've ever traveled to Europe, but I mean, those three cities, Dublin, Brussels, and Lisbon, um, literally thousands of years of historical and cultural things that students can engage in, and that's why we're really excited about this program.